This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hood Roblox mobile. First, let's cover movement. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your character in any direction. To look around, simply drag your finger across the right side of the screen, controlling your camera view. This smooth movement system allows for quick reactions, essential in the game's fast-paced environment. Mastering these basic controls is your first step towards dominating the streets. Your mobile screen displays crucial game information, including your health bar and ammo count, typically at the top or bottom corners. To access your inventory or game settings, look for the menu icon, often a hamburger button or a gear symbol, usually located in one of the top corners. Tapping these icons opens up detailed menus where you can equip items, change graphic quality, or adjust your sound. Understanding this layout helps you react swiftly. When it's time for combat, locate the aim button, usually on the right side of your screen, to focus your shots. Once aimed, tap the fire button to unleash your weapon's power. To switch weapons, use the weapon slot selector, often a series of small icons near the bottom of your display. Tap the icon corresponding to the weapon you wish to use. Reloading is typically automatic, but sometimes a manual reload button appears. Practice these actions to improve your reaction time significantly. Interacting with the game world involves tapping on objects or other players. For example, to pick up money or a dropped weapon, simply walk close and tap the interact button that appears, usually in the center of your screen. Opening doors or entering vehicles often follows a similar interaction prompt. Your inventory, accessed through the main menu, lets you organize your gear, use health packs, and check your current wealth, displayed as an exact number like $2,500.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.